Alright guys, this is a 2015 Kia Optima. It was on the auto shop and they do have a note for us. It says we have replaced the shift lock solenoid, which is this one right here, and also they replaced the alternator and the battery, but there's still some issue though. So they said yeah, we are still getting an issue with the vehicle not coming out of park without pushing the shift lock override button. So this one right here. So when I press, I'm idling right now, so when I press the brake pedal, that solenoid should move. This solenoid should move like this, so we can able to put this guy on park, or I mean in reverse neutral drive. But right now it's not doing it. So they said technician thinks it might be related to something with the body control module. Alright, let's go ahead and check this out. They said we also did see a sign of rodent nest, which is right here, but I don't think so though, because the problem is going to be over there. So I think it's going to be the body control module. But first, let's go ahead and check the schematic really quick. Alright guys, so here is the schematic. This is the solenoid right there that they replaced. So in this red with the black phrase, we should get power there, like a battery voltage, which is 14 point something. And then here at number 10, we're supposed to get some ground from the body control module. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it out really quick. Okay guys, so I'm just using my power probe. It's right here. So I found the red wire right here with the black trace. So if I poke this, we're supposed to get power, which is 14 something. Okay, now I am getting 14.4. Now we're gonna switch this to this brown wire, which is connected to the body control module. And if our solenoid is good, I should get battery voltage as well, which is 14.4, right? Then when I press the brake pedal, the body control module, who lives right there, supposed to supply ground to the solenoid, and then the solenoid will move so we can shift this, right? Right now I am applying brakes and I don't get any movement here, and I don't have any power, right? But if I provided ground, I'm going to be the body control module. I'm not going to press the brake pedal, but I'm just going to provide ground. Let's see what happened on that solenoid. It moves. Okay, so do we have a problem with the body control module? Maybe, but we still need to check the brake switch right there. We just want to make sure that brake switch sends signal to the body control module. Alright guys, so I am getting signal from my brake switch because all my brakes are on right now. Alright, so I am connected now. Alright, I am connected now. My brake clamp switch and brake test switch are off right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and press the brake pedal and let's see if those guys will turn on. Alright, both of them are turning on. So yeah, the body control module receives signal from the brake switch, but it's not giving ground on the solenoid right here. So this one is not shifting. All right, guys, this is just the diagnose only. But if you guys replace the body control module, you guys need to program the key fob. If you have two of them need to be programmed. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and order, or at least get permission to the customer. Let's see if they're gonna approve it or what. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.